Hi all, I'm Jihan and today I'm gonna be making some desi Indian peanut jaggery laddoos. This is a very simple recipe and it is often eaten as snack bars or energy bars. This is included in the Maharashtrian cuisine. So let's start. The ingredients needed are 1 tablespoon of ghee or melted butter, 1 cup of roasted peanuts, 2/3 cup of jaggery, half cup of roasted sesame seeds, 1/4 cup of desiccated coconut, and then finally 1/4 teaspoon of grinded cardamom or elaichi. Now I've added my ghee. I'm gonna add my jaggery and I'm gonna quickly mix it well. After stirring it for some while, I've just turned off the flame. Should have this thick consistency. Now I'm gonna be adding my cardamom powder, my sesame seeds, desiccated coconut, and finally my peanuts. I'm gonna quickly mix it now. With my mother's help, I've grinded half of my stuff so that I've got 2 different varieties. Here's the other half. Now I'll just take some of it and I'll quickly make one ball. Just make sure you don't let it cool down completely because then your balls won't be perfect. Now my laddoos are finally ready. Some are small, some are big. They are not perfectly circular, but I don't mind it. I'm gonna take the smallest one. It does not have any smell, you cannot smell it. But I'm gonna break it. I'm gonna put. The exterior texture is more rocky and crunchy. The inner texture is smooth, soft. The jaggery just melts in your mouth. The peanuts provide a crunchy taste. The cardamom has its own strong flavor. I love it. I hope that you make this too and support me. And see you soon. Goodbye.